this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this cute card with the This Birthday Piggy bundle. Here is my next little piggy birthday card using the This Birthday Piggy bundle that's only available during September. It has these cute images, and now it has dies to cut out all the cute images, this banner to cut out all the sentiments, and then all these fun extra elements, flowers, presents, banners, and then this wagon has extra dies for the wheels and for the handle, I guess I will say. So for this card, I started off with a piece of mint macaron, and then I used a DSP from the Design a Daydream, right there, DSP. And so it's got all this fun DSP. This is a Hostess, exclusive Hostess item that you can only get as a hostess or when you place a $150 order. So I will just adhere this on. All right, so now I'm gonna stamp the little piggy. So I'm gonna use Memento black ink, and I have the piggy on a scooter. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut it out first, and then I'm only gonna use part of it. So I'll only color part of it, and then I'll cut the rest away. So I'm gonna use my mini cutting machine, and I'll place the die on there. I usually like to cut things out before I color because I don't want to spend all the time coloring and then make a mistake on the cutting and have to do the coloring all over again. Yes, it has happened to me. Okay, so that's pretty good. I'm gonna cut away, looks like I can cut there. So that's all I'm going to use. So I'm going to color that. I'm gonna do mint macaron to match the wagon for the banner. And then I'll do the pig in petal pink, and then I will add a little bit of smoky slate to the scooter. Okay, so now I have my piggy colored. I can bring in the other elements. So I've got the wagon, and I've got the wheels, and I'm actually just gonna cut off the handle because the pig is facing the other way, so I don't want the handle in the opposite direction. I think that would look kind of funny, but I am gonna glue on these little wheels and stamp the sentiment. Okay, so this is going to go on dimensionals, and this and this. Okay. And then I'm only gonna put dimensionals on the sides up here because I don't want to impede the little piggy from being able to sit down into the wagon. So I want to be able to put the wagon right about there, and then I want to be able to put the piggy down inside the wagon like that. So I don't want the dimensionals bugging him. So we'll do it like that. And then last but not least, we're gonna stamp our sentiment. Go to your happy place and stay there all day. And then we'll cut this out using the cute little banner die that is part of the bundle. And then the last step is just to add the sentiment. So this is my super cute Piggy in a Wagon card. So I'm offering a free card kit when you purchase the bundle or place a $50 order, or you can order another bundle from the Perfect Partners promotion. It'll have 2 of each of these 3 designs. Just use my current host code and to order, and email me and let me know that you would like this card kit, and I will send it right out to you. Thank you so much for watching my video tutorial with cards from the This Birthday Piggy bundle, only available during September for 10% off. So make sure you order it before it's gone, because I predict it will sell out because it's so cute. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and leave a comment, and then subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.